Hi, my name is Ryan Shevchik, and I'm the owner and president of Accessible America. We are your local 5-star home accessibility craftsmen located in Verona. We specialize in the installation of stair lifts, patient lifting devices, wheelchair lifts, ramps, and other home accessibility modifications all across Western Pennsylvania. In both 2022 and in 2023, we were named the winner of the Trib Live People's Choice Awards Best of the Best contest in the Mobility Services category. This was in both the Allegheny North region and the Allegheny Southwest region. Well, I'm here today to proudly and excitedly announce that for the 3rd year in a row, we have been named Best of the Best. And this was again in the Allegheny Southwest and Allegheny North regions. We were also named the runner-up in the Allegheny East and Westmoreland regions. This is such a huge honor, and I just wanted to take a moment to come and personally say thank you. Thank you to everyone who took time to vote for us. Thank you to our family and our friends. Thank you to our supporters who follow and engage with us on social media. And most of all, thank you to our clients and our customers. Thank you for allowing us to come into your home every single day. Thank you for putting your trust in us to help you achieve your independence goals and to stay in the home that you spent years building and loving. It is humbling to do this type of work, and I look forward to many more years of providing 5-star service to people all around Western Pennsylvania. So if you, a family member, a friend, a loved one, is in need of a straight or custom stair lift for inside or outside, a patient lifting device, a ramp, or a wheelchair lift, please consider giving Accessible America a call. We can be reached toll-free at 833-412-I-CAN. That's 833-412-4226. Or we can be reached anytime online at accessibleamerica.net. Thank you again.